We have one thumb up. We have two thumbs up. That means hands off the controllers, drivers. 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, Girlbots, as you suspect, with the pink robot matching their theme. Arcing high, landing 2, missing 1. 14204, the lean green robot machine. That's our Super Screen Brothers, one of the most efficient robots out there. Fast, well programmed. Robonites, 21333, they're red partners. Straight intake, they're going to shoot from the far distance towards the red goal. And they land 2 out of 3. Nicely done. Arc Thunder, 5273, the wood panel robot, parking in the red base.
Pick up your controllers.
All robots moved. Red with the lead at this point by about 50 points.
3, 2, 1.
All right, under piloting. Girlbots, robot is parked near the blue gate. They need to release and they need to move. All right, Robonites released. They feed their robot about 2 to 3 artifacts. They are just very simply taking it up from their one side and shooting it out the other. That's been an effective design for them. Arc Thunder lobbing high from the far launch point, getting into a collision with the Robonites, but landing their artifacts just the same. 14204 running around, firing unchecked, repeatedly getting artifacts from the red ramp, hoovering them up, and firing them in rapid succession. The rate they're keeping and the accuracy they're firing in is just impressive. Very good reflection of their high seeding. Blue Alliance, Arc Thunder. Arc Thunder's robot is back at their zone, getting fed artifacts. They are in contact with the Robonites. They shoot and land 2 out of 3 anyway. Nicely done, Arc Thunder. Robonites also landing 2 into the red goal. Girlbots here, untroubled here. They launch. They are now on the hunt for more artifacts. Where are they going to get them from? They are going towards the blue loading zone. No, they're not. They're going to be coming into the depot zone and clearing the blue gate in order to get more artifacts into the secret tunnel and load them up. Robonites shooting, missing 2. We are down to the last about 30 seconds or so in the game. Red with a commanding lead thanks to the untiring work of the Super Screen Bros. That robot has just been busy in its own world on this field. Now it comes around, picks up a couple of more artifacts from the ground, and releases the gate again to run more into Arc Thunder's hands. Will Arc Thunder try to score again? 52-73 from the far side. High looping arcs. They shoot as they move. They're going into the parking lot, and
The scores are up. The scores are up for match number 95. With a score of 349 to 118, your Red Alliance takes the victory with 5 ranking points. 14204